everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have another K-beauty product for you all. If you have been watching my video, then you must already know that I am in love with the brand K-beauty. Now for those of you who do not know what K-beauty is Katrina Kaif's cosmetic brand, and I am in love with the brand. It's not because I have crush on Katrina Kaif or something. I am not a huge fan of Katrina Kaif personally, but I love what she's doing with her makeup line. All the makeup products are so good in quality and they're really affordable. I have done a couple of videos reviewing K-beauty products in the past, and today the product that I have for you all are the eyeliners from the brand. Okay, so now I am not a huge eyeliner fan, but whenever I wear an eyeliner, I usually tend to get attracted towards more colored eyeliners as compared to the black ones. So whenever any brand comes with new colored eyeliner, I try and get my hands on at least one of the shades from the brand. So when K-beauty came up with these eyeliners, I went ahead and bought the blue one. The blue one was the first one that I bought from the brand. I tried it a couple of times and I loved it so much that I went ahead and bought two more shades from the brand. So these are the three eyeliners that I have with me right now. The first one that I bought initially is the blue eyeliner called the Exotic Indigo. The name of the color is written on the top of the box. The second one is a grey eyeliner and it is called Shadow Play. And the third one is a green eyeliner and it is called Chic Emerald. Now these eyeliners are available in 8 different color options and they retail for 499 rupees each, which is actually a pretty affordable price for a colored eyeliner. So now before getting into the swatches of all the 3 shades that I have in my collection, and before I share my experience with the product, let's get into the packaging of the product first. So this is how the outer box of the product looks like. This is a regular rectangular cardboard box which is sort of color coordinated. The shade of the eyeliner is printed here. Like if this is like a green and white colored box, then the eyeliner in this box is green, and the name of the eyeliner, as I mentioned earlier, is mentioned at the top of the box, and all the other details, not including the ingredients, is mentioned in the back of the packaging. There are no ingredients mentioned on the box. I am not really sure about whether they are mentioned on the website or not. I'll just give it in the description whether it's mentioned or not, but there is no list of ingredients on the box itself. The white section of the box have the K-beauty logo all over it, and yeah, that's how the basic packaging, the outer box, looks like. When you open the box, it has a little division sort of a thing, and this is basically because this is how like the eyeliner looks like, the actual product looks like, and the partition is basically because so that the eyeliner doesn't move inside, because like it's a really big box and this is how the actual product looks like. So just to avoid maybe wobbling of the product or something, there is a partition inside it. So now this is how the actual eyeliner, the actual product looks like. It is a very elongated kind of a product. The actual product is not very elongated. Like this is the tube of the product and this is actually the applicator. Again, I love the packaging. It's very simple and yet very chic. The color coordinated base makes it really easy to just grab the color you want, and it also has like the K-beauty logo printed all over it. The brush part is actually rose gold in color and it has like the best before the expiry date mentioned over it. Okay, now let's just open the lid. It opens very sturdily. It is very travel friendly. It's not very easy to open by itself. This is how the applicator looks like. It's very long and it's very thin. It makes applying the eyeliner like a easy job. So this is basically how the packaging looks like, and if I put all the 3 together, they would look something like this. The name of the shade is also mentioned on the base of the product. Like if this is the product, there is a little sticker on the base of the product which contains the actual name of the product, which is okay, that's an additional thing, but if I can see the color on the packaging itself, I would never actually go for the name of the product. Okay, now before we talk more about the product, let's get into the swatches. as you must have seen in the swatches, all the 3 shades are really pigmented. Just a single swipe of the brush is pretty sufficient to give an opaque desired look. I personally loved the grey one. Grey is not sort of a color that brands make, but K-Beauty has a grey liner which I loved, and that is the reason that out of the other shades available in the collection, all the other regular shades available in the collection, I bought the grey one. Grey one is non-traditional and it still looks beautiful to me. Talking about the consistency of the product, I have just tried 3 shades from the collection and all the 3 shades have consistent formula. They are not very liquidy, but they're not very thick to apply. They have the perfect consistency to make it very easy to glide on the lids. Now talking about the staying power, I wouldn't say that these eyeliners are waterproof or something, but they do have an excellent staying power. I have applied these eyeliners for more than 6 hours and they have worked for me really well without smudging or like chipping from any part of the eye. As I said, it is not really waterproof, and I can say that I did not wash my face after applying this. But one day I went out and it was really humid here in Delhi, and I had the blue eyeliner on, but after a couple of hours there was blue all over my lid, not just where I applied it. So it basically, with the humidity and with the sweating and all, it went ahead and like got smudged or like transferred on my eyelids, which is not a very good look. But yes, it is not very good in handling the humidity. Apart from that, if you are in AC or if you are in a decent weather which is not very humid and you're not sweating a lot, these do have a good staying power and they easily can stay up to 5 to 6 hours. Okay, so now coming to the pros and cons of the product. The first thing I can say, the first pro I can say is that they are really affordable. Secondly, the elongated brush and the elongated lid makes it really easy to apply the eyeliner. Thirdly, the brush is really thin, which makes it easy to apply a very thin line without much efforts. It is available in 8 different color options and majority of the color options are in the safe zone. It is like easily available on any Nykaa website or any Nykaa store. K-Beauty brand is exclusive to Nykaa, so you cannot actually get it somewhere else apart from Nykaa. Also, I like the fact that these have color coordinated packaging. The inner one as well as the outer box is color coordinated. Plus they have a decently good staying power. The only con I can think about is the fact that they are not really waterproof. So if you live in a place which is really humid, or accidentally you get yourself in rain or you wash your face or do something of that sort, then this might not last as much as you expect it to. Apart from that, I wasn't actually able to find any list of ingredients on this product. That's all I can think of. I love the product and I have no other complaints with the product. So that's all I have to say about this product. If you like this video, then please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you would like to watch review of any other particular product, then do comment in the comment section down below and I would love to do it for you. Thank you so much for watching my video. Namaste.